morning everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and guess where we are, guys? We are in Johnson and we are here today. Early visit to the farm of my aunt. We are not yet ready for vlogging, guys. Nakapajama pa mi. Oh, the kids are here, the Tres Marias. Quick, princess! Don't go to the goose! Hala! 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 Here's the fish pond. Daghanang isda. No, daghanang isda. The fish pond. Mangguko daw ang sangkol. Oh? Hala, come here, come. Hala, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. This is Kate, guys. We have YouTube channel. Cousin Kate. She looks like Queen, but she's pretty. She loves to do makeup, guys. She's the daughter of that one. She's the daughter of my aunt Rebby. Who's that? Oh, maulog. Princess, don't go anywhere. Careful, 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 not too much. Queen?
The get with the shell. You wanna? No. It's no. No. No! No!
You will get the...
Ah! It's chicken!
There's chicken. Come here, princess. Come here now. Bye, sheep. Oh, bye, sheep. Come on. There, oh, the Mount Patutong, princess.
Hello everyone. Auntie and the tail of video. And your name is Jack Maya.
Sige lang. Ala! No, princess! Don't run! Oh, there's a goat. That's goat, princess. Tay. Ay, dabulag. Ay, Ashley! Ay! Yeah, but there's no water. guys, we are in Barangay Cunel from Barangay Maligaya. So we're here in the farm resort of my aunt Rebby. The kids are enjoying it. Say hi! Because it's very high. That's my uncle.
Princess want to swing.
Hold her, hold.
Can we go over there?
Okay. There's too much rabbits. How many of them, Kate? So guys, we're done with our farm tour with my aunt Rebby's, what is this? Farmland and the fish pond.
We're going to Hickman.
Yeah, so now we need to prepare for our family reunion.
Why is she crying?
I don't know why she's always crying. Okay, Tres Marias, say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tita Kate. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Stay safe and healthy, everyone. It's a Sunday, so blessed Sunday, everyone. God bless us all. Take care. Enjoy. Mwah!